In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OCO in Thinkorswim. OCO stands for One Cancels Other, and it's a simple way to place an entry order along with a built-in take profit and stop loss. So once one exit fills, the other is automatically canceled. This keeps your trade organized and your risk controlled without you having to babysit the position. Start by heading to the Trade tab in Thinkorswim. This is where you can look up the stock or option you want to trade. Type the symbol in the search box if you're trading a stock, or open the option chain if you're trading an option. When you see the quote you want, use the bid or ask prices to set up the direction of the trade. Right-click the ask if you intend to buy, or right-click the bid if you intend to sell. That right-click is what opens up the custom order choices. From the menu that appears, choose Buy Custom if you're entering a long position, or Sell Custom if you're entering a short position. Then select with OCO bracket. This tells Thinkorswim to build the bracket for you automatically. An order ticket will appear with 3 lines. The first line is your entry order. The second is your take profit, which is a limit order designed to capture gains at your target price. The third is your stop loss, which is there to protect you if the trade moves against you. These 3 orders are linked together as an OCO group, so filling one of the exits cancels the other. Now edit the prices to fit your plan. Click directly into each price field and type the exact level you want. For a long trade, set your take profit above your entry and your stop loss below it. For a short trade, it's the opposite. Adjust your quantity if needed and check the time and force settings. Many traders prefer the exits to be good till canceled, so the bracket remains active until filled. But choose what matches your strategy. Take a moment to confirm that your take profit is a limit order and your stop loss is set appropriately as a stop or stop market, depending on your preference for execution versus price certainty. When everything looks right, click, confirm, and send. The confirmation window summarizes your entry, your 2 exits, and the total risk and potential reward based on the prices you entered. Review it carefully to make sure the OCO bracket is intact and the prices reflect your plan. If it all checks out, click Send, and your OCO bracket is live. Now your entry and both exits are working together as a single, disciplined trade.